Well, the company's name is Unit Precast Breslau. They have a problem with making larger and larger castings, but not having the right way to handle them. They've asked us to come up with a method to safely pick up and spin over very large chunks of concrete.
Well, first doing a risk assessment on that type of labor that we do here at our facility. It was something that we knew there had to be a better way.
Well, this is a large lifting bar that has hydraulic capability to flip over these castings. It's the sort of the Mark III version. There are lots of material handling devices that are created all over the world. We've never seen one quite like this one. It's got the unique ability of manipulating the product once it's in the air. And generally it's a pick something up, put it down, maybe turn it a little bit, turn it one way or another. This one will actually do the 180-degree rotation that's required in most castings just in one motion.
Anything that you want to do to invest in your business, you're wanting it to last a long time and also have flexibility.
If they go to roll it over and something breaks because the casting wasn't handled right, any number of things like that, you're going to spend a lot of money and create a very unhappy customer. I think this is going to be a mammoth change in the way they operate their company.
With anything, the guys first look at something and they try to say, okay, seeing how it's going to operate.
First thing we're going to see is, gee, I don't know if that's going to work or not. And then we're going to start seeing, oh, okay, that's okay. And then, oh, we'll get a week later, we'll phone them up. How's it going? Oh, that thing's great. When you're handling very, very big pieces, safety is paramount. If something falls, people don't get hurt, they get killed. They were talking about very large pieces the size of a cube van that weigh 20 tons that are up in the air and spinning around to get themselves upright. In this case, it's a single person that's in control and everybody else can stay the heck away. On this bar, we've made it so that it can handle many different shapes. So our customer has big round pieces. They're very heavy. They have small rectangular pieces and they have great big rectangular pieces. We also have hydraulics in there that allow them to change the size, to change the position of the center of gravity, and to safely rotate a piece so that they can take it from an upside down to a right side up position or back again if they wish.
Once they saw it flip, the comments were, wow, I didn't think it was going to be that fast, and they just really are enjoying using the product.
It's always a sense of pride when we start playing around on the CAD system and say, well, okay, what's this got to look like? When you get the thing on site and you see the customer happy about it, there's always a tremendous sense of pride. It's always terrific to see this thing happen with everything that we do. It's always an invention, and inventions are fun.